Hello everyone, my name is Raymond Lofranco.
And I'm Ryan J. L. Miller.
We
We
are
are Group 1, the BMI Explorers. Today we briefly explain what BMI is compute, a sample BMI, and discuss why it is important.
This is our sample BMI computation. Our sample height is 1.70 meters. Sample weight is 65 kilograms. To calculate the BMI, this is the BMI formula. BMI equals weight divided by height times height. So weight equals 65 kilograms, height equals 1.70 centimeters. 1.70 times 1.70 equals 2.89. 65 divided by 2.89 equals 22.85. Since our sample BMI is 22.5, it falls under the normal category. What is BMI?
BMI stands for Body Mass Index. BMI is a simple measurement used to determine if a person's weight is healthy in relation to their height. It's identifying whether a person is underweight, normal weight, overweight, or obese.